Affiliate marketing is the best way for beginners to make money online. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to make your first affiliate commission online. Let's get straight into the video. There are many affiliate programs out there. The popular one is ClickBank outside Amazon, but the only problem with this program is that it's restricted to certain countries. I'll show you another one. This one is Digistore24. They accept affiliates from all over the globe. If you are not living in US, Canada, UK, Germany, and stuff like that, I would advise you to go for Digistore24. I'll use this as an example for this tutorial. The first step is your niche, beginning with health and beauty niche, the e-business, the travel niche, the fitness niche, and the sports niche. But there are a bunch of niches out there, but it depends on you. If you don't have a Digistore24 account, I have a tutorial on it, how to create the Digistore24 affiliate account, and this is a step-by-step tutorial. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to sign up. Now, when you are done with this and you log in under digital products, you have to scroll down, see if something catches your attention or if you're interested in something. If not, you click on 2, then it's gonna keep going. You have up to 72 days. When you scroll down, you see the cancellation rate 5.7, not bad. 1.5, that's good. 2.0, that's good. Cancellation rate 14.3. See, something like this, I would not advise you to promote it. This one is 7.0. These are things you need to be aware of. When you are new to affiliate marketing, don't do ads. Do the free traffic method. It's gonna help you to learn a lot. I'll go back and see something like this: mastery and monetization by Matt Parr. The cancellation rate 16.9 is too much. Anything below 5% is good. I'll go back and I'll go to marketplace. Then you're gonna search for whatever you want, or you're gonna go to, you see all the subtitles here. You can click on any of them, like health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality. Oh yeah, that's another good one. Spirituality, trust me, this one is really good. Self-help and all that. I'll go with health and fitness for this tutorial. I'll scroll down. This is the product I'm looking for. The images, I don't know, for some reason they are not here. If you want more info, let's say if I right click affiliate and open the new tab, this is it. We'll use this as an inspiration, but I'll go back. Let's say I want to promote this. So I'll click on promote and they're gonna bring me here with my nickname, and I'll have to click create hop link. I'll click on it and it's gonna generate for me, highlight everything, copy, Ctrl C, or right click and copy and close it. Please pay close attention. The link I copied, you can go to social media and spam it all over the place. That's not the right way to do it. The second method, you can cloak the link using bit.ly link. This is bit.ly link. It's free. You can sign up. Click on create new and click link. Next, drop the link. Ctrl V. This is the link. Title for your records, you can type the product name. Oh, it has auto-generated the name. You can delete all of this and keep this like that. Next is to click here and customize it, because here, if you don't customize it, it's gonna generate numbers, and a website link with numbers looks a bit spammy. It's not professional. I can say lose weight. Let's say weight loss, but trust me, this name is already taken. Let's say you can do this weight loss dash. The reason why I chose this extension link is taken already, and sometimes people will see it and they'll go straight to Google, type it, and go straight to the page. That way you'll not earn anything. That's another trick. Yeah, when all is done, then you're gonna click generate. When you generate and it says this link is taken, don't panic. Erase it and type another one. I'm gonna delete it because I don't want to. This is an example, and I will go back. Links, let's assume this is the link. You're gonna copy, and this will be the link that you have to promote. That's the first way to work on the link. Now, the best is to create a landing page. Trust me. Why did I say that? With this, I'm gonna promote this link. If I double click, this is the link I'll be promoting. Now, if you don't know how to create a landing page, I have a tutorial on my channel. I have created my landing page. Now, when you come back here, see the background color, and this is the product. Now, when you check my landing page, the background looks similar, and I have this colorful thing to pop. These 6 powerful nutrients and plants can help you lose weight in weeks. But don't copy this, because the way I promote this, if you do that, Google will find out. You have to stand out, be unique. And this is the image of the product. It doesn't have this lady that I have over there, and the name Airplane is showing. But guess what? I dropped this lady to cover a little bit and the arrow to let them know in weeks. Okay, I will hide the name Upline. When people look at it, they cannot see the name. Now, the money is in the list. You cannot survive doing affiliate marketing or doing business online without capturing email addresses. Why? When people sign up and not buying this particular product, in future, I'll promote a different product, and that's the way it works. If you don't do that, you're gonna send people to like 1,000 links and maybe only 5 or 3 people will buy out of it. And even you'll be lucky with that. You have to capture the email addresses, and after build a relationship, let them trust you by sending them like newsletters, informations, and anything relating to that, or news you receive from Upline, you can share with them. Capturing email address is the most important thing in affiliate marketing. Now, they have to give me their first name and email address. And after, when they click on access now, they can access the product. You need to have affiliate disclosure here, like terms and privacy. This is terms and condition or terms and privacy. Sometimes you might have affiliate disclosure. Let me check something. We are using affiliate terms, which is affiliate disclosure or terms and conditions. Anyhow, I'm using the one from my original website for this domain. If you don't have your own website, create a free landing page and use the terms and condition of the product that you are promoting. After this is done, it's time to promote it. I'll copy this and double click, highlight, right click and copy. You can use that one. If not, you can use the example I show you with Bitly. I have everything embedded inside here. I'll show you. When I go here, Upline, you see I have here weight loss. When I go edit, if I scroll down and click on the link, I have my affiliate link here from ClickBank. I'll show you quick. You can see ClickBank here. That means everything is embedded into my landing page. This is the way it works. I'll go back and grab the link again. Double click, copy. Now, there are many ways to promote this link, but I'll show you the fastest and the simplest way to do it. I'll go to Twitter and I'll type here how to lose weight fast. How to lose weight fast. Don't promote it here. This person is trying to do the same thing that you are about to do. And how to lose weight fast. Right now we are not sure if this lady want to lose weight. She says be nice to me. Click here. Some people are not nice, get cheated on. That's crazy. Anyway, we're gonna click here. You have to say something positive because she said you have to be nice. I'll say it's possible to lose weight fast without going through surgery these days. I'm giving positive vibe. I would say it's possible to lose weight fast without going through surgery these days. There are weight loss programs, but this program, then I drop the link, seems to be working for me and many people with testimonies. And I'll add some emoji, like a smiling emoji, because she wants you to be nice. Now, for this to stand out, I'll go to my image. All right, let me see. See, I have this design already, like the way it looks on my landing page. I'm gonna drop this, then click reply. Next, I'll click on reply. Bam, it's gone. That's the first way. The other method is for you to post. So click here and type something. That's another method of doing this. I can create a post about weight loss or how to lose weight using this same method, but not in a reply form, but in general. For example, there are many weight loss programs out there, but this weight loss program is doing well or helping people lose weight in weeks. You can check it out by clicking this link. That's another way of doing that. Yeah, you have to promote it on a lot of platforms. It's not easy from the beginning, but trust me, you can do it. You can do it, and you have to be patient. You have to take it easy. Now, I'll advise you to buy your domain and connect it to a website. I'll be coming out soon with how to create a free landing page website, and I'll recommend Namecheap. If you want to buy a domain, I'll drop the link in the description box as well. Yeah, getting your own domain is good. It makes everything look professional, like the way I have it here. Yeah, I'm not using Bitly link or affiliate link, spamming it all over. See how this looks nice? Yeah, this is the way to go about it. Get your own domain name and your professional email address and get started. Trust me, you don't have to give up. Focus on one particular niche and go deep. You make your first $100 online. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and like I said, I'll be coming up soon with another tutorial on how to create a free landing page for beginners. Don't forget, and trust me, I'll give you the information you need. Subscribe. When I drop it, you'll be the first to watch. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.